Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a quiz in Microsoft Word, but more importantly, how to create an answer key in the exact same document I already created a quiz. So let's hide the answers. For that, you have to select that specific answer which you want to hide. After selecting this, all you have to do is to hold Ctrl button and press D on your keyboard. A dialog box should open up with a whole bunch of font options, and one of them is hidden. So I check that box and click OK for hiding all of them. I will select them one by holding Ctrl button and select all answers, then do the same. Press Ctrl plus D and check the same box and look. All answers are hidden. Now, you can print this quiz, and if you want to see the answers, go to the Home tab here, on the Home ribbon in the paragraph group. There is a paragraph symbol, and if you click, that it will show you text that's not hidden, and you text that is hidden. So there you got your answer key. Now my answers are showing up. I can go to the File tab, click and go down here to Options, and I'll jump down here to Display. And you can see there is a printing options sections here, and I just want to check this box to print hidden text. And now you can print your quiz with answer key. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.